Let's make some creamy mussels. Woo! And of course, you're gonna need your mussels. You're gonna need some flour, some chicken broth, folks, some cream of mushroom, and some cream cheese. You're gonna need some butter, some worcestershire sauce, heavy cream or milk, and some parmesan cheese. Hey folks, the amount of each ingredient will be down in the description. Now I'm gonna show y'all the cheese sauce first before we add it to our cream of mushroom. And remember, the amount of each ingredient will be listed down in the description. Now we're gonna set this aside. Let's get our mussels steamed and we're gonna get our cream of mushroom ready. Go ahead and add that last fourth of a cup of chicken broth to your cream of mushroom. Now folks, I know you're saying that's a lot of sauce for the amount of mussels I'm putting in here. You're right, because this amount of sauce is enough for one bag of mussels. I don't know what happened to my other mussels, I'm just saying. But hey, it's gonna work, right? It's better to have enough than not enough. Mm.
Woo! That's where it's at. Let me get one more before I sit down up in there. Ooh. Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.